You open your eyes in the morning, look at the ceiling, and the simple thought of getting out of bed feels like trying to move a mountain. You have massive goals and know exactly what you need to do to fix your life, but then you are completely paralyzed by the basic demands of just existing. So, what will you do? You watch motivational videos that tell you to wake up at 5 am, take a cold shower, and crush your goals. And honestly, it just makes you feel worse, right? Because you do not lack ambition, you lack metabolic energy, and you are running absolutely on zero energy. So, how do you actually change your life when you literally do not have the energy to take a single step? Hi, I'm Gayatri Arvind, founder of Abasa Rehab and Wellness. We offer residential rehabilitation for people struggling with addiction, mental health disorders, eating disorders, and chronic conditions. Over the past 6 years, we have helped over thousands of people reclaim their lives through personalized care. Through this channel, we share practical wisdom to empower your mental health. When you are severely burnt out, standard self-improvement advice will always fail you because it requires a full tank of gas and you are barely surviving. First, to understand why this works, you have to understand how your brain's fear center, the amygdala, works. Every human brain runs on a strict energy budget. Right now, your brain knows your energy budget is dangerously low. So, when you think about a normal goal like I need to clean my entire messy room or I need to work out for an hour, your amygdala perceives that massive energy cost as a literal threat to your survival. So, what will it do? It will hit the emergency brake and trigger a freeze response. That is why you feel overwhelmed, sit on the edge of your bed and scroll on your phone for 2 hours instead. Now, if you have to change your life, you have to bypass this alarm system in your brain. That is, your brain should not figure out that your next task will consume more energy. And for that, we are going to see a clinical method called the micro yes method. So, how do you actually do it? In your mind, you should ask yourself a single question. What is the absolute smallest thing I can say yes to right now? Let's say you're struggling to even get out of your bed. Here, your goal should not be getting out of bed and working out. It should be so simple and stupid, like just pulling the blanket off and sitting on the bed. Do not even promise that you will get out of the bed. Just say yes to pulling the blanket off. Then promise yourself not to take the phone. Then refreshing. Then taking one sip of water. Just one stupidly small step as one task. And you apply this method by giving yourself full guilt-free permission to stop after that one tiny action. This is what we called as a microscopic task. It is a commitment so ridiculously small and so incredibly easy that it slips right past your amygdala without triggering the alarm. And the secret is, your brain does not care how small the task was. It registers a win. The moment you secure a win, your brain releases a tiny hit of dopamine. Now, dopamine is not just a pleasure chemical. In neurology, dopamine is the molecule of motivation and momentum. That tiny hit of dopamine gives you the exact metabolic energy required to take the next small step. Here, you're creating energy out of your actions. Like one sip of water biologically gives you the momentum to stand up. Standing up gives you the momentum to refresh. And refreshing gives you the momentum to wear gym clothes and so on. You just stack these microscopic wins, and before you know it, you will be moving. The next time you feel completely stuck, do not look at the mountain. Just look at the pebble right in front of your shoe. While you use this method to get through the day, you should also be working in parallel with a clinical professional. Let a therapist or a doctor help you figure out exactly what is draining your baseline energy and heal the root cause, while you use this tool to keep moving forward. You do not have to change your entire life all at once. You just have to change the next 5 seconds and let that momentum carry you back to life.